Hello and welcome again to Sleem Solar YouTube channel. I just want to show you the final product as we are finished with the install. So now the inverter is on. You can see the reading. And the battery is showing 98% charge, so it's charging. It's actually a discharge right now, so there's a load on it. And I'll show you that. So there is the system up and running. So you can see it is operational. As you can see, you have the solar coming in and it's charging and putting power to the house. So you can see the charge of the battery. It's on wheels, so this can easily be moved. So this thing probably stands probably 3 feet, maybe 3.5, and maybe, I'd say maybe what, 20 inches wide. So it's a battery Evo. So now I'm going to go outside and check out the transfer switch and show you that we have the circuits over and running. So here is the transfer switch. Here are the 10 circuits that are running on generator, which is solar, and you can switch it back to line. So here are all the circuits, all the breakers, and we wired it from this panel. We peel off 10 circuits and put them in here. So now that's done, completed. And now we'll go out to the panels and take a look at them, see what they look like. So here we are. The panels are all up. They're all wired. As you can see, we have the ground rod wire going across, touching each of the unit struts, which are grounded out to the panels, and comes down along the side and make its way into this little guy right here. And the same thing with this right here. In the country, you got to use what you're going to use. So as you can see, we put a green tape around it to show that's the ground from the combiner box. The owner didn't want the box being displayed. She liked it to be covered, a nice wood look, so we accommodated that. And the same thing for this one. We basically covered it with a nice wood look. And as you can see, the ground rod is put on all the panels, which touches all the unit strut. And there, as you can see, they're all wired up. And as you can see here, we braced it so it's nice and firm. Oops. Bed railing, go figure. You got to use what you can use in the country, because we don't have a lot of supplies here and we use what we can. So there are all the panels. There are the panels over here. All mounted and looking good. So with that, we have completed another job and we're signing off. So if you like these content in this video, please like and smash that subscribe button to be notified of more videos as we put them out. Sleem Solar signing off.